Grand Rising Wealth Builders, I am Tamara Singleton, TSing, your Associate Real Estate Broker at eXp Realty and the Queen of the Southside. In this market, you don't just need an agent, you need sales and strategy. Whether you are a buyer building your legacy from the ground up, a veteran utilizing our military advocacy, or a seller utilizing our guaranteed offer program, with us, you buy with confidence and you sell with power. But acquiring the property is just the first step. That's step one. How are you protecting it? Through our asset-ready services, we deliver true property stewardship and management. For our investors, we don't just collect rent, we preserve your value with rigorous tenant screening and proactive maintenance. And for our tenants, we ensure every lease feels like a sanctuary. This is where integrity meets management. Because what we do is so much more than real estate. We are your partner in building and preserving and securing your generational wealth. From strategic acquisitions to securing your documents as a certified trust delivery agent, all the way to our true why. Educating our youth in financial literacy and fiercely advocating for our seniors. We believe that true wealth is not just what you own, but what you pass down. Are you ready to bridge the gap and secure your legacy? Text strategy to the number on your screen. Now let's get into today's episode of Real Estate Unrigged with TSing Wealth Builder. Let's go, San Antonio.